An important task in machine learning is prediction. Linear regression is an analytical procedure that can generate predictions by using an easily interpreted mathematical formula. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will learn about one of supervised machine learning algorithm, linear regression. So, what is linear regression? A linear regression is a linear approximation of a causal relationship between two or more variables. Regression models are highly valuable as they are most common ways to make any prediction. In mathematical terms, take an example of an independent variable x represents height of a person and a predictive value of dependent variable y like their weight. Here the dependent variable y or weight is known as predictive variable and independent variable x or in this case height are known as predictors. The regression model is a linear approximation of this function and the easiest regression model is the simple linear regression model which stands for y is equal to beta naught plus beta 1x. Here we are trying to predict variable y and x is the independent variable. Here beta naught is constant and beta 1 is regression coefficient. In any regression model, we want to predict the independent variable y provided we have the value of x. But to have a regression, y must depend on value of x such that if the value of x changes or updates, these changes should translate to the value of y in a causal way. This was mathematical explanation of what and how linear regression works. Now let's see what is the process to achieve it in a practical world. Now we have two variables, y, weight as a dependent variable and x, height as an independent variable. And as an example, assuming there is impact on weight whenever there is change in height of the person. And the process goes like this. Firstly, we get sample of data. In this example, data of height and weight of different people. Secondly, we design a model that works good for that sample. In this case, considering linear regression model. And finally, once we have our model ready, we make prediction of the whole population. Now consider we have sample of data containing 5 persons details. Now when we plot it in an XY graph, we will get a graph according to the data. This will give us an inference of what will be the flow of data points. We can then use that learn function or correlation to infer the linear relations for the prediction. This linear line determines the best fit from each data point to the line. The intercept here is known as beta naught or constant and the slope as beta 1 as regression coefficient. Now using this model, we can predict any other person weight if we have the value of their height. The simplicity of linear regression makes it really attractive. In addition for being simple and attractive, linear regression is very extensible. For example, you can add multiple linear regression to fit a model with more than one independent variables. In our next video, we will see and work with linear regression model using Python. If you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe and see you next time.